Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just gonna give you some little update of our new house that we move in. So I'm just gonna show you some little things that we change. We are not completely done yet decorating the house, but at least we have done a lot. So as you can see in the previous, if you want to see like the previous video of because I was giving a little tour of the house when we just moved in. So but now I'm gonna show you some other things that we change, like this island. I love this island so much. We changed it, and this is a marble squat. So the previous island that was here, it was not even a squat. I mean, I don't know what to call that, but it was so ugly. So I need to change that because the kitchen at that point was so dark, and I need bright. I need to, But right now, I love it so much. And this tile, guys, we also changed it right there. As you can see, this was not the tile that was here, so it was like a yellow tile, whatever. But we changed that as well. You can see like I put a short video on that, like the previous one and the new one, so you can just have an idea how was the kitchen before and now. And we also changed this light. I love it so much. I mean, if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave all the link where I got this from. So yeah, and also I'm gonna mention because the cabinet is gonna be changed later on, but no, right now I'm just gonna deal with it. I'm just gonna put some decoration on it, and it's okay because I don't like the color. I know some people may like it, but me, it's not my taste. So yeah, so we changed that, and and also I was telling you that we changed the wall of this paint, and this is a little dining area that we have just next to the kitchen, as you can see right there. So yeah, you can sit here and drink your coffee, whatever, and the kids can also eat right here, because sometimes I just don't want them to sit in the big dining table while watching TV, but here they can just sit here and just chill, and right outside right now it's so cold in Montreal, so you cannot go outside right now because there's a lot of snow. And I'm gonna show you the powder room. Guys, I'm gonna show you the powder room. As you can see, all this type was changed. This was not the color that was here before. So yeah, and this door right here is the to go to the garage. Yeah, but this is the powder room. Okay. Sorry guys, so this is the powder room. As you can see, is the powder room flush laundry room. So this is what it looks now, but before, the color in here was so dark, and I love this chandelier. It's so freaking nice. So yeah, so we paint all this wall white, and there's some other thing that I may change in here, but right now we're just gonna leave it the way it is. So yeah, so now guys, I'm just gonna show you the big dining table that is in here. So this is our dining table right now, because the light you cannot see, it's a little bit dark in here, but yeah, so this is the dining table, and I love my mirrors so much. So yeah, and we have this fireplace in here to chill. Okay, and this is the entrance. Okay, right here is the door. I mean, you see the snow outside right there. So, and this is the living room. So this is the new sofa that we bought. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little bit dark in here, so yeah, I'm gonna put the lights on, it's better. So yeah, so guys, and this wall, we're gonna try to do something on this wall as well. But yeah, I mean, so far this is what it's looking like. So this is the stairs to go to the rooms, and this door right here take you to the basement. So yeah guys, so that's it guys. This is the little thing that we changed so far. So as I was saying, there's a lot of things that we're gonna change to make this house our house, you know, our home. So yeah, there's a couple things that we're gonna be changing, but I'm gonna keep you guys update, like all the new thing that we change. So but so far I just show you the basic thing that we changed, the dining table and the kitchen as well. So we just started in here on the first floor, and then we're gonna jump into the second floor because we're gonna change all the tile in the first bathroom on the second floor and the master bedroom as well. We're gonna change a lot of things, but as I was saying, I'm gonna keep you updated. So if you guys so far, if you've been sticking to this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel just to support me. And if you like it, just give it a thumbs up and comment. And yeah, bye for now.